So this is a review of a motion activated battery powered light that I got from Harbor Freight. I often work down in my shop in the basement in the evenings after everybody goes to bed, and when I go upstairs, all the lights are off, and until I get to like halfway up the stairs and I get some ambient light, I can't really see what's going on. So I picked up this light from Harbor Freight, and I just used some command adhesive and stuck it to the wall on the little landing close to the bottom of my steps. And so it actually picks me up going both directions. So typically I'll open this door, turn the light off, and then you can see I've got one night light over there on that wall. But if I turn to the left to go towards my stairs, I can start walking, and then the light just turns on. And here's the light. Now I'm up at the top of the steps, and I'll start walking down, and the light comes on. And now I can navigate the steps safely. So this does exactly what I needed to do. I have no idea what the battery life is going to be like. It was pretty easy to install using the command adhesive strips that I just had in the junk drawer. No damage to the walls if I want to move it or take it down. It's actually got a mounting plate on it, so you can pull it off and replace the batteries and put it back on the mounting plate. So it's an infrared, and so as long as there's no more motion detected, it turns off in about 30 seconds. So pretty low power light, puts out plenty of output for what I need it for. So I'll put a link down in the description of the light that I got, just so you can see it. And so it's not the best looking light, but it's functional and it does what I need it to do. If you like what I do, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them down below. Till next time, we'll see you later.